Hi guys, welcome back to this channel guys. It's your boy 1010FX. So this video will be different from my normal day in the life video that I post every weekend. I will not be going out because today is Sunday. I've been busy all through the week. I've been busy. Yesterday I should have gone out to have my breakfast or lunch at a restaurant so I can vlog for you guys, but unfortunately I was busy. I didn't leave my house throughout yesterday. On Friday, I didn't leave my house. On Thursday, I didn't leave my house. So I have not been going out, I've been indoor. So and that's why I'll not be making the vlog. But this video, you guys will learn something different. So I'll be explaining why you need a prop firm as a trader. Do you understand? This is why you need prop firm. So I got a prop firm from um I got a prop firm I think on Tuesday or Wednesday, and I'm about to pass the prop firm. Let me take you to my website. So the prop firm is Naira Trader. Now why do you need this account? Now I think most of my most people watching me presently are from Nigeria and other people outside Nigeria. So if you're outside Nigeria, this opportunity is not for you. Except if you have someone in Nigeria that can purchase the account for you, then you'll be trading the account. So now this prop firm is a very nice prop firm. I'll be breaking down some trades we took over the week, and all these trades were sent out on my Telegram channel. I'll be taking you to my Telegram channel in a bit. So this prop firm is a very nice prop firm for beginner, for you that want to scale up. You know, when you trade a bigger account, you can use risk management, but when you are trading that small account, to use risk management, price risk management will be a bit. You cannot be trading a $10 account and you want to say you want to be risking 1% on a $10 account. Even on a $50 account, you want to be risking 1%. You understand that you will not be making much. But when you trade a larger capital, you'll be able to risk more. Now, this the account is a Naira account, by the way. It's a Naira account. It is a Naira account. Now they have 200k, 400k, 600k, 800k, 1.5 million, and 30 million account sizes. Now, this is why I like them. They are very, very cheap and affordable. Very, very cheap. And they have basically no serious rule. They only have max drawdown, which is 20% on all the accounts you can see. They have target, which is 10% for all the accounts. And they have two phases. Phase 1, phase 2. When you pass it, you get your live account. The minimum trading days is just 1 day, obviously 1 day. You cannot pass phase 1 today, you have to request for phase 2 maybe tomorrow. You understand? You cannot pass phase 1 today, request for phase 2 today, and they give you phase 2 and you pass. It's not, that's not possible. You understand? They have 24 hours payout. 24 hours. Now the fee for the 200k is 8,900, for the 400k 18,005, for the 600k 28,000, and so on and so forth. I don't want this video to be too long, because I want to break down some trades. So this is just basically, the advantage of this is you can buy an account, trade it, and scale up. I was explaining this to one of my students yesterday on how I scale my account. I buy this, I scale up, then I get a dollar account, I scale up, buy a bigger account like that. But I'm not a fan of posting about prop firm, but I think this can help a lot of trader out there to scale up. It's not about making those small amounts. If you really want to scale up, you need big amounts. You understand? You need big capital. You have to go big. All right. So this week let me just show you on my Telegram so that you don't think I'm joking. So you need to join this Telegram channel. This is my free Telegram channel. Link will be in my description. You can click the link and join my Telegram channel. So you'll be enjoying free trading signal for free. So these are the trades we took this week that I sent out. You can see the first 3 trades, the losses. Then I had a win to recover all the losses and made small profit. Then I had a break even. Then we had this final win that was on Friday. So now my profit is already at 16,000 naira. This is a naira account, by the way. 16,000, because this is a $200 account, 200 naira account. I'm used to dollar. 200 naira account, 200,000 naira account. So my profit target is 10%, which is 20,000. So I need 4,000 naira left to pass this phase 1. You understand? It is very easy. Unlike other profiles that will be giving you different rules, different this, different that. You understand? So their rule is not really too much. Now this is the trade that helped us, that gave us that last profit. You can see we had a break even here. Price moved to about 1 to 1, then reversed back to break even. Then for now took the sell that dumped to its full TP. All right, so this is my, just use the link below to join this free telegram to enjoy free trading signal. And if you want to buy an account with Naira Trader, there will also be a link on my description. You will see Naira Trader, click the link and get an account. Get an account for yourself. If you need it, just contact me on Telegram. I'm going to assist you. You can see this is where I drop the signal. Let me show you guys. This is where I drop the signal. You can see I said we are in last trade of the week, and you can see immediately it started dumping. I was like TP1, it said break even. Now you can see for yourself. Then I said trade as it 1 to 2 hour. You can close your profit now. I'll be holding till full take profit though. You understand? Then finally I said full TP hits or something. Yeah. Okay, approaching full TP, you can see I've secured TP1, then yeah, full TP hit, and I showed them my P&L for the week. So this is what we did this week. So this week was a profitable week, very very nice. So this is one of the trades we took. Let me break down this trade. Now this is on GPP, JPY guys. Price have been bullish. Price have been bullish overall. Price have been bullish. So best thing you do is to follow the trend. All right. So I have a strategy. I trade is my personal strategy. It is my personal strategy, which I call the TLZ, which is Timmy 10 liquidation zone. That is my strategy. That's my personal strategy. I'm the one that like I I work a lot day and night just to get this strategy, and finally I got it. So it is my personal strategy. Hold on, let me get this off the screen. This is my personal strategy. So guys, if you watch this far and you enjoy this sort of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. This is what you can do for me to support this channel. Just subscribe, join the family, join the Telegram channel. You are making money literally for free. I'm not collecting a dime from you. So now let's look at the first trade. Now one thing I want you guys as forex trader to always do is be flexible with your trades. If you are saying buy, that doesn't mean sell can't happen. You understand? If the analysis is giving you buy, that doesn't mean sell cannot happen. You know, we are not the owner of this market. What we do is just to analyze and get our trading biases and all. So then we enter, we execute our trades. But that doesn't mean the market is going to do what we want it to do. We do what it wants to do. You understand? So initially I saw a buy, saw a lot of liquidity. Yeah, like I said, these are my strategies, the liquidation zone. So what I want is obviously I want to always see liquidity being taken or giving me liquidity. So I saw this liquidity like trend line liquidity, price broke it, tap into his zone here. Here's the way I mark my zone. If you want to learn how I mark the zone, just send a DM. I'm going to teach you for free. Right? That's where I mark my zone. Price tap into my zone. It gave me about look at it right here. Give me about a 1 to 1.38. That's what it gave me. Then it came back to break even. Immediately we immediately hit my break even. I saw another zone. Then I marked the zone out. I'm anticipating price to come and take it out. Now there's this little let me shift this a bit. There's this little liquidity here. If you go to the lower time frame, you're going to see it. There's this little liquidity here, that a swing high liquidity, and the price came and took it out. Immediately price tapped us in, and this is a 2.5 hour trade, and price just dumped without footing profit. So my strategy is easy, is even simple for beginner. You just need to understand what you are doing. Alright. So that is just basically it. You can see this is another trade with two. The first one was a loss. This one was a loss, which I had this liquidity just right here. I had this liquidity just right here. Price took it out, tap into the zone, gave me a little push. You understand? Look at this. It gave me a little push around a 1:1. But yes, did I set my break even on this? No, I'm not sure. I think I took a loss on this. So I didn't set my break even. Price reversed back to it my SL. So you have to understand when to set your break even, how to set your break even. And this is the last trade I took. Obviously, there's this swing low liquidity, yeah. See, there's this swing low liquidity that I was anticipating price to come and take out. Then I mark my 10 liquidation zone. There's a way I mark my zone. Alright, guys, learn how to identify liquidity. It's going to help you as a forex trader. Price tap into my zone, then straight to TP. Now, if I had held this trade, I would have passed my account, guys. Look at this. I would have passed my account, honestly. But there is no point. Just always follow your rule and do what you have to do. Don't be too ambitious that you want to pass. I have gotten a profit that I passed phase 2 in 1 day. I passed it in 1 day trading gold. But gold wants to collect clothes from my body. Like I told one of my friends, so for the meantime I stopped trading gold. Just watching out. I'm still trading personally though, but not on this account. You understand? Still trading personally, but not on this account. Gold wants to remove my clothes from me. You know what I mean, guys? Gold have been messing me up big time. So I also trade synthetic indices, most importantly volatility 75, and it's been going well for me on my personal account, not prof account. So guys, this is why you need profit. You need profit to scale up your capital. You need it to make more. You understand? Though it's not easy. It's not easy. That's just a simple fact. But if you can learn how to trade this prop firm, if you can learn the rules and everything, and you can pass them, then you make more money compared to making that $10, $50 and so on your live account. You make more. You understand? You don't need to trade every day. On another $1,000 account, you can trade 2 times in a month and you would have made substantial amount. Imagine trading 2 times in a month and you have made over $10,000, $20,000 2 times in a month. If you have a good setup and you won your trade and you have made that level of profit, you don't need to trade again. You just have to hold on, get another profit, then wait for your withdrawal and stuff like that. You understand? So this is how you have to be a lot sensible. You have to think while trading. You know, as a first trader, you have to be very very smart and know what works for you. Right. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to get an account with Naira Trader, you can either get the Naira Trader account or um a FUNDEDNEXT account. If you want to get a FUNDEDNEXT account, there will be a link also in my description. You can use that link to get a FUNDEDNEXT account. And if you want to get the Naira Trader account, there will be a link under my description also to get the Naira Trader account. You understand? So buy this account and start trading for free and enjoy yourself, alright? And make more money. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more content like this. Peace out, guys. You know I love you guys. God bless you all for tuning.